Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove saved passwords in Chrome browser security step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure you are on a normal Chrome window. Look at the top right corner and click the three-dot menu icon. In the menu that opens, click Settings to enter Chrome's main settings page. On the left sidebar, click Autofill and Passwords, or just Autofill, depending on your version. Click Password Manager to view everything Chrome has saved. If you have multiple Chrome profiles, confirm you are using the correct profile at the top of the window. Scroll down to the Saved Passwords section. Find the website entry you want to remove by scanning the list. If the list is long, use the search bar and type the website name to filter results. When you see the correct entry, click the three-dot icon next to that saved password. Click Delete to remove the saved password from Chrome. Repeat the same delete action for any other websites you no longer want stored. If you want to remove many entries faster, keep using the search bar and delete everything that matches. If you accidentally delete one, understand that Chrome cannot restore it unless you saved it somewhere else. Now, to remove all saved passwords at once, go back to the Settings page. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Click Delete Browsing Data to open the cleanup window. At the top, switch to the Advanced tab. Set the time range to all time if you want a full cleanup. Check the box for passwords and other sign-in data. Uncheck other boxes if you only want to remove passwords and not your history or cookies. Click Delete Data and wait for Chrome to finish the process. If Chrome Sync is enabled, open the same Google account on other devices to confirm changes have synced. To manage sync, go to Settings and click You in Google. Click Sync in Google Services to view what is syncing. Click Manage what you sync and make sure you understand whether passwords are included. For extra safety, return to Password Manager and review that the saved passwords list is now clean. Finally, consider turning off Offer to Save Passwords if you do not want Chrome to prompt you again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.